Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Soumya. In this video, we are going to talk about species of honeybee from the chapter Apiculture. So first we will know about the classification here. Honeybees belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Apidae, genus Apis. Okay, and there are many species in honeybee, but mainly I'm going to discuss about 4 to 5 species. That is, first one Apis dorsata, second one Apis indica, third one Apis florea, fourth one Apis mellifera, and last one Apis cerana. And now for the exam point of view, I will describe the few of them. Okay, now first we will start with the Apis dorsata. The common name for Apis dorsata is rock bee. Okay, and they are also known as gained honey bees. Okay, here Apis dorsata have 3 names. That is, Apis dorsata is the one scientific name, the second one rock bee, and the third one is gained honey bees. Okay, if you want to look at how the honeybees, how the Apis dorsata is, here we have the picture, the last one from the right side, that is Apis dorsata, and the second one, the middle one is Apis mellifera, and the third one, that is Apis cerana. These are the different species of honey bee. So now look at the points here. They are largest bees, about 20 millimeter in length. As you look at the honeybees, just now have shown the picture here. Even you can observe in the picture right now. So when comparing to the other species like Apis mellifera and Apis cerana or Apis florea, these Apis dorsata is bigger in length, and these are about, when you measure the length, they are 20 millimeter in length. Okay, and we can see them on they are found, as I mentioned in the first video itself, they prefer the aerial mode of life. So we can see on the branches of trees, rocks, and ceilings of buildings, and in hill regions. Okay, and you can see these are all distributed all over the world. We can find this Epidoxata in any part of the world. Means they are cosmopolitan in nature. Okay, and it is going to build a single comb which is 1 meter in length. If you look at only one single comb, so I had drawn the comb here, the colony of the hive, that is the picture of the hive here. And if that one single comb will be 1 meter in length, just imagine the combs are very larger, as like that of the in their size. Okay, size is also bigger when compared to the other species. Even even the colony that they are building, those are also very long. That's about 1 meter in length. And coming to the production of the honey, they produces about 30 to 80 kg honey per colony per year. And the workers of this species are very smart. Okay, as I mentioned before, these in honeybees we are going to see the division of labor, like the division of labor, like we can see the queen bee and worker bee and the drone, that is the king bee. And here in workers again we are going to see the different division of labors here, like some are going to clean the hive. Okay, some are going to nurture the younger bees, some are going to guard the hive, they are going to keep the hive safe from the predator. So like this there is a division of labor here. So here the worker bees, so those are worker bees in this species, are they are very smart and they are active, and which may pollinate about 12,000 flowers daily. Okay, just imagine, just those are very tiny organisms when compared to the other organisms. But they will just by one day they can even pollinate about 12,000 flowers. As I mentioned before, these honeybees are very good pollinators. Okay, so they will do the cross pollination here. Because of that, we are still seeing the biodiversity. Okay, and also some of the plants are not extinct because of this reason. Okay, and these are the best ones, because per day itself they are pollinating 12,000 flowers. But moving on to the next slide, about due to its ferocious and irritable nature, means they are very ferocious. Okay, and irritable nature means they are very aggressive, and they will irritate a lot, their sound and everything. And because of that nature, and they need the specific hive, and they have the migratory habit. So because of all these things, it is very difficult to domesticate them. Okay, to do the apiculture of these species is very difficult. That's why they are not doing any, it is impossible to domesticate these. Okay, And the next one in that species, Apis laborisa, is also another kind of gained honeybee, and it is going to nest only in the Himalayan regions. Okay, like that of Apis dorsata, the gained honeybee. Another example is Apis laborisa, and it is going to nest only in the Himalaya region. There only you can see this gained honeybee. Okay, that's about the first one. We will move on to the next one, that is Apis indica. Okay, Apis indica, it is also called as Indian bee. Okay, the Apis indica, it has another name, that is Indian bee. And when you look at the habitat where it is going to live, it lives in hollows of trees, termites mounds, mud walls and walls of the buildings, and in thick bushes. Okay, and when you look at that, they are yellowish brown in color. Okay, see, I have displayed the picture here. You can see that they are yellowish brown in color. Okay, and they are very smaller in size. Okay, Apis indica, which is very smaller in size. See, this is actually slightly smaller than the Apis dorsata. And they are going to build the hives. Okay, or a comb. They build multiple parallel combs. Okay, the combs will be, they build the multiple parallel beams. And these species are very gentle in nature. These are not like that of Apis dorsata. They are very ferocious and irritable in nature, very aggressive in nature. But these Apis indica are very gentle in nature, so we can domesticate this one very easily. Means we can do the apiculture on this very easily. And coming to the production of the honey, they produce about 2 to 10 kgs of honey per colony per year. Okay, and they are going to build the two types of comb here. One comb, honey comb, and brood comb. There will be the comb, the honey will be stored in a particular comb, that is called as honey comb. And another one is brood comb. Brood comb means where the younger ones are going to be cared, where the honeybees are going to live. So that is the brood comb. So like that, they are going to develop the different kinds of comb in a single colony. Okay, that's about the few points or for few information on the Apis indica. Now we will move on to the next one, that is Apis florea. Apis florea, it has another name, that is also called as little bee. Okay, and here this again, this Apis florea, it is even smaller than the Apis indica. Here Apis dorsata is the largest bee. The when compared to that, Apis indica is even smaller than that, and even this Apis florea is smaller than the Apis indica. Okay, and when they will build the single exposed combs, because they are not of gregarious in nature. Okay, they are going to build single comb. Okay, and their combs are suspended from the branches of the bushes and trees. As I said before, they shows the aerial mode of life. So they are going to build the colony or a comb in a branches of the bushes or on the trees. Okay, and coming to the honey production, when compared to the other kind of species like Dorsata and Apis indica, this produces very less honey. Okay, so like a half kg of honey per colony per year. Just for per year, they are just only producing the half colony. That's why it is not good to domesticate, because even if they are able to domesticate, if they are even but it is difficult to get a profit, because of they are very like the production of honey is very less. That's why. And that's why they are not domesticated. And the main use from these honeybees is that they help in pollination. And here I have displayed the picture. You can have a look about look on the picture of image on about the Apis florea. Okay, the next type is Apis mellifera. Okay, it has the another name, that is called as European bee. And they are well distributed throughout the world. Means they are cosmopolitan in nature. You can see in any corner of the world. And due to their docile nature, means they are very gentle in nature. They are very quiet and easy to control. So because they are docile in nature, they can be domesticated easily. Okay, and they are going to produce about 25 to 40 kgs of honey per colony per year. So they are producing a very good amount of honey. So and they are very docile in nature, so we can domesticate these Apis mellifera species. Okay, and these are it has the another name, and these are also known as western honeybees. You can have a look in the diagram. This is the Apis mellifera. Okay, this is the picture of the Apis mellifera, and it has another name, that is also called as western honeybees. Okay, and this is the information on this is the information on species of honeybee. Okay, and in the examination they may ask like explain any two species of honeybee. Okay, for 3 marks or for 5 marks, explain any five species of honeybee. Okay, or else give a name of name the species of honeybee. Okay, like that they may ask, so you should be prepared well and it is easy to remember. I'm hoping I have shared some of the knowledge that I had. I'm hoping it will be helpful. Thank you everyone.